Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove key Toyota Corolla full guide. Start by assessing whether the key is broken, bent, or lodged. Remove debris and try gentle wiggling with light pressure. Then spray a small amount of silicone lubricant into the keyway if movement is restricted. And use needle nose pliers on protruding metal only when safe, keeping calm and patient while avoiding force that could damage the lock. Begin with a friendly safety check. Disconnect the battery if you will access the steering column and keep children away from tools. Lay out needle nose pliers, a thin flathead screwdriver, and a small flashlight. Use silicone lubricant rather than oil to avoid attracting grime, and only attempt gentle extraction if the key has visible purchase. If resistance persists or the key core looks fractured, stop and consult a professional locksmith to prevent costly damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more DIY car content. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a fun read that can change how you think about money and help you budget for repairs and tools. I spotted it while prepping for this shoot and thought it fit the thriftier DIY mindset. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach the removal step by step with calm, steady motions. First, attempt to insert a spare key and turn slightly to release internal tension before pulling. If part of the key protrudes, use needle nose pliers to pull straight out while avoiding twisting, which can shear the metal. When the core is broken or jammed, remove the lower steering column cover to access the lock cylinder bolts. Then gently withdraw the cylinder once bolts are removed and the retaining clip is released.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.